Hello world! Entertainment Tonight News telling us the third and final season of the wildly popular Squid Game will debut this summer on June 27, 2025, and it promised to push the limits of suspense. Chilling image of Netflix hit series, we see ominous silhouettes of Yang Hee and her companion Chol Soo that suggests that even more ruthless game lie ahead. According to a press release, Season 3 will pick up where Season 2 left off and explore the choices Gi-hun will make amidst overwhelming despair. As the frontman plot his next move, the surviving players find their decisions leading to increasingly dire consequences with each round of the deadly games. Exciting movies coming! I will wait for it so I can completely watch the Squid Game phenomenon movie. Good day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!